The first type of synthesis reaction is the simple ionic compound, which is a metal combining with a nonmetal. So calcium plus 2 combined with nitrogen minus 3 combines to form what? So, the first thing you do is take the upper numbers, the superscript, from the two elements, drop the charges, and cross them over. And that becomes the subscript for the new element and the compound. So, calcium would become calcium 3 and would combine with nitrogen 2 to form Ca3N2. The second type of synthesis reaction is the covalent compound, which is a nonmetal combining with another nonmetal. So, carbon plus O2, what does that combine to make? Carbon would combine with oxygen 2 to make carbon dioxide, or CO2. It's fairly simple. Now we move on to decomposition reactions. The first type of decomposition reaction is an ionic compound breaking apart to become a metal and a nonmetal. So, the ionic compound sodium chloride would break apart to become sodium and chlorine atoms. This is an endothermic reaction, meaning heat is taken in. The second kind of decomposition reaction is when a metal carbonate breaks apart to form a metal oxide and CO2. Calcium carbonate breaks apart to become calcium oxide and CO2. The final type of decomposition reaction is the rarely used hydrogen peroxide decomposition. So you'd start with 2H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide, and then using a catalyst, in this case manganese O2, you're left with 2 water molecules and 1 diatomic molecule of oxygen.